Okay guys, good evening, good day. This is how to repair your non-responsive windshield washer and intermittent wiper. The windshield washer is where the water poured out to windshield. Then automatically the wiper will wipe it twice or and so on. And the wiper intermittent is the one which has an auto wiper, like when you're parking or the rain is not so hard, this one you will use. Okay, like that, automatic. Okay, first thing, you remove the cover. I already removed mine. Then this socket which connected to this switch, wiper switch, remove it. Okay, press the lock here and press, then pull out. Okay, it's hard to handle it with left hand, same in right hand. Okay, push, then remove. Okay, then there are two screw here. I already removed it. Okay, and the focus there, 1 and 2, I already removed it. Then you slide this out. Okay, and the negative wire will disconnect. Okay, I did a resoldering of these terminals, all of the terminals, which I doubt that's not good in contact, so I soldered it here, the two here, and the others. Just inspect yours so they will connect again. And that's all. You assemble it again and try your wiper. My flash out because my cell phones get overheat. Thank you.